Haduh katnyau tylli skul na keleng kawas Gentle district kilawan banishim bynta haka district level inter school athletic meet araja arpuar balapnya da ka office jong u district sport officer haringkat ka jinge trailang but kawas Gentia district sport association Jowai yakane ke inter school athletic meet araja arpuar balasdang nadu menta kasngi ka khatwai trik u jemang lawan ban play prada daw additional deputy commissioner kawas Gentle district u PK Boro haringkat ka jinge don lang u DSO ma ke pasa ka district school education officer kong PCM o president ka sinjuk ki wahe shnong Jowai ma alan yangti kit khot ka West Gentle district sport association ki khna school lembat kinong hikai wada pedeng ke jing pentut jong uslap henry ki dala ban penya chekhmat ye ka athletic meet lashai ke sngi ka khat arteri kan beteng biang bat kan penkut aha ka khat lai teri ku jemmang araja arpuar hamadan kyangnong ba stadium dongbi sngi Jowai ki jingile kai hagane ga district level inter school athletic meet aja R4R ki kintup ye ga jingi mare shispa meters saw into kharway meters south spa meters henry spa meters khatsan spa meters araja meters high jump long jump discus throw javelin throw ban ka shot put ya ki kadan lapia ha ki lai bynta kata ka under 14 under 16 but ka under 18 jongki khna shinrang but contain
District Sport Office and also the West India District Sport Association take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our honorable chief guest, Sri PK Boro, the additional deputy commissioner of West India, who has spared his valuable time to be here among us.
You will start from today with various disciplines, especially the athletics, which is on the track and field. I would now basic education would like to request an appeal. All the students who are going to participate today to be very, very sportive, to be very, very competitive and be disciplined. You must know there is direct success in each area. Try hard, be disciplined. If you are successful, you are going to get an opportunity to gain the level. Now when you become very successful and able to get the laurel, your name and your family will be popular. And you will become an asset, not only for the district and for the state and for the nation.